So this is for class 7th mathematics chapter 4 simple equation exercise 4.1 question number 1. So I will be solving exercise 4.1 question number 1 today. So first what I'll do is take down the question. Complete exercise 4.1, complete the last column of the table. So you have to complete this table. So first what I'll have to do is, what is given, the first one is x plus 3 is equal to 0. Is it correct? X is equal to 3 all are getting. No, right? Because x, it will be x is equal to minus 3 you all should get. So basically the answer is no. Okay, so what they told, say whether the equation is satisfied. If it is satisfied, then say yes. If no, then say no. Okay. So if it is not satisfying, right? So write no. The second one, let us see. Second one. X plus 3 is equal to 0. You will get again x is equal to minus 3. So again it is not satisfying. So write the answer to be no. Let us see the third one. Okay, let us see if it is satisfying. So x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 3. The value of this. So it is correct, right? It is satisfying. So then you write down S. Next, let us see x minus 7 is equal to 1. So what you all are going to get? Is it satisfying or no? No. So write down no. Because what you all are getting is x is equal to, it will be x is equal to 1 plus 7. So the value of that will be 8. It should be 8. So are you all getting 8? No. That's why it is, answer is no. Next is x minus 7 is equal to 1. You are getting 8. So it is S. Next, 5x is equal to 25. So what should be the answer? It will be 5x is equal to 25 is there. So x is equal to 25 upon 5. So 5 ones are 5 fives are. So x is equal to 5. So the value should be 5. But what is the value over here? 0. So it is not satisfying, right? So here it is no. And here it will be S. Why? Because you should get 5. 5x is equal to 25. The answer was 5, right? So you can take down this. Next, let us see the 8th one. 5x is equal to 25. So here the equation, the value is minus 5. But actually you should get positive 5. So it is not satisfying. So no. Next, let us see to this. M upon 3 is equal to 2. So what you are going to get? You should get a positive value, right? Positive 6. So answer is no. Same here also no, and here it will be S. Okay, why it is? Because see, if it is M upon 3 is equal to 2, which means that M is equal to 2 multiplied by 3, which is, you should get answer to be 6. Okay, so here, so are you all getting 6 over here? No. Here you all are getting. So it is satisfying the equation. So you have to say y is S. Okay. So you all can take down this. I hope you all have understood exercise 4.1 question number 1, and thanks for watching.